Hi, and welcome to my Everything Great About Jigsaw review. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you everything that I think is great about Jigsaw. Okay? So, let's get started. One good thing about Jigsaw is a different title than just Saw 8. Okay? Because, back in 2004, when the very first Saw movie came out, they released every Saw movie every Halloween, during Halloween, and they've been calling them each Saw movie since the 2004 very first one, or Saw 1, Saw 2, Saw 3, and they've been putting Roman numerals on them, so like Saw 3, Saw 4, and they've been putting the Roman numerals on them, and if they kept been doing that, then this would have been called Saw 8, okay? And but it's a good thing that they did. A different name, not just Saw 8, it's a different name called Jigsaw. That's a good thing. Another good thing about the movie is it's short, like all the other ones. Another good thing about the movie is Tobin Bell, the actor that played John Kramer, Jigsaw, is back. And the final thing that I think is good about the movie is another Saw movie. Okay? Now, let's recap and review what I think is good about the movie. One is the different name for the Saw movie. Not just called Saw 8, it's called Jigsaw. Another thing is it's short. It's a short movie, it's like an hour and 32 minutes. The actor that played Jigsaw, John Kramer, Tobin Bell, he back, and Jigsaw, John Kramer, and it's another Saw movie. Okay, and that's my review of everything great about Jigsaw review. Thank you for watching.